Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will make tutorial flat illustration part 2. So in the last video we already make the first part. I already make the first part. So now we will continue for the flat illustration. And then we will make the one choose left. Click P for pen. From here to here, go to here, 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 and go to here. Then let's make the shoes. And then this. And then this. Okay, already. And then put in here. Delete the stroke at the fill. Change to be 50. Okay. Make it more tidy. Okay, and then we will make for the face. So we use R for rectangle. Take from here to here. Okay, and then double click and then bend type. Sorry, bend tool I mean. Before that, click P for add pen, and then click shift and move to here, and then click bend tool and then make it go. Okay, like this, put in here. And then we will make for the neck like this. So first you need to click R for rectangle, make from here to here, and then double click and then click P for pen. Put you here, and then make it, and then click bento, and then make it tidy. And then put in here. And then we will make for the hair. Click P for pen. Take from here to here. Go to here.
And then yeah, let's go to the Figma for the demo. Okay, so
And then go to
now
here.
I'll make like
And
infographics
then
things like this.
go to here.
Like this example
And then go to here.
infographics is
And
command
then click bento
or
and then make
yeah,
it tidy.
short plan schools. So in this infographics is like you can see the
And
image.
then
There is a sword and there is a
this one.
shield. Shield get cut by sword. And
And
then
then
so this is the info about
this.
the information about the graphics. Yeah, the graphics is the code and info is
Like
this
this.
is the text.
Over here.
Yeah, if you short the master is more slash than katana and then
Delete the stroke.
this
Add the
the master sword and slash the shield
After
and then
make it
there is
tidy.
some
And then
project that
how to make the air. So
but
click
look
O
is
for
sword
ellipse.
and there is
And then make it
like
same. And then
why was
there
a
is arc.
glass in the sword and then you can
Sweep.
say it's in at the
50%.
era the
And then
swing from the
roll it.
from
And
sand
then
or like
90
sand lah on the mountain just like be powerful on your
minus 90.
technology manner and then
Okay.
there is better
And then
powder
move
the
to here.
crystallographer from university technique in Dresden German with his
And then
paragraph
lock it.
he
And
found
then there
our
is the D9. Change to
nanotube
be
little
okay.
near
Like
microscope
this.
to
And then for the
sample
ear,
sample of
and then just
sort of
Control D for
Damascus at the
duplicate. And then
17 I don't know,
Shift H.
okay. So maybe that's all.
Okay, like this.
Come up with a
Now we will color it.
name.
So
Okay,
first,
thank you.
click F for frame.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ambil nggak ada, all nggak ada, lapang nggak ada, apik nggak ada, raka nggak ada,
Okay.
lu cuma dua, pakai hilang semua, raka nggak ada.
What kak?
Ternyata kalian deh sekali hilang.
YSKL. Mi kak, mi get keluar sama.
Okay. And then lock all of the vectors.
Dua itu apa aja kak?
And then move to here.
People sama Instagram post.
Berarti yang blok poster mana apa kak?
Change the fill 100%.
Kemarin nggak ada, ada dua.
And then click the shirt. Change the color.
Emas dua.
It's up to you. But I will change to be like this.
I follow up to Mr. Jim dulu. I think this
Let's make it like
have a problem. Jadi beberapa orang juga tadi kan yang IP udah send, udah submit, nggak ada katanya.
Halo, udah disapit.
Itu masuk dalam dalam itu masuk, tapi nggak bisa dicek.
Okay. And then change this to be this. And then for the hand,
Bad people,
click shift and then make it on the back like this. And then change the skin to like this. And then the face move to front, and then make it a bit different for the skin. And then click the ear, change the skin too, and then click the hair and then move to the front, double click and then tidy it. Okay, like this, and then change the hair to be black or brown, but go to black. Okay, like this, make the face more different, and then for the hand, change the color to same like this, and then for the pants, change to be brown. Okay, and then click this and this one, make it same the skin, make it in the back, and then for the shoes I will try this first, like this, and then make it in the back, but like this.
Okay, 1 minute left.
Okay, and then change
For
the
what
color for the shoes to be black or gray, but in here I changed to be gray. Click on this for the shoes, make it back, and then make it same for the color together. Okay, like this for the flat illustration. So maybe that's all from me. So if there is something wrong, so maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.